Many non-native English speakers make all these small but very common mistakes, and often they don't even realize it, right? Hi friends, I'm Mihir, and in today's video, I will break down 5 of the most common English mistakes, and you can fix them easily. So without much delay, let's begin. Mistake number 1. This sentence is incorrect, right? He is more better than me. Why? Because better is already a comparative word. Adding more is like saying extra and extra, right? It's not needed actually. So the right word is he is better than me. This is the correct way of saying it. Just remember, dear friends, words like better, worse, older, younger are already comparisons. No need to add more or less before them, right? Mistake number 2. I didn't went to school yesterday. This is a very common one. And the rule here is simple, dear friends. After did or didn't, always use the base form of the verb. The correct way of saying is I didn't go to school yesterday. Went is the past form of the go. But did already shows past tense. So use the base form go. Mistake number 3. I'm having 2 brothers. This one sounds okay at first, but grammatically it is incorrect. In English, we don't use have in the continuous form when talking about relationships or possessions, right? So the correct way of saying is I have 2 brothers. You can say I'm having lunch because lunch is an activity, but not I'm having a brother because that's a relationship. Mistake number 4. She said me the truth. Here is a mistake with prepositions, right? Say needs a to before a person. So she said me is wrong. The correct way of saying is she said the truth to me, or you can say she told me the truth. Here is the better way to say, dear friends. She said the truth to me. Or more naturally, if you want to say it, she told me the truth. Mistake number 5. I am agree with you. Many learners say I am agree. But the word agree is a verb, not an adjective. So we don't use am with it, right? So the correct way of saying is I agree with you. Just say I agree with you. Simple and correct, right? So how many of these mistakes have you made? Be honest, dear friends. It's okay. We all learn by making mistakes. The important thing is to correct them. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who is also learning English. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow for more practical lessons every week. Thank you.